welcome to my YouTube channel again. In previous video we had learned how can we configure Google Map for Android and iOS both. So if you haven't watched that previous part, uh, I suggest you please go with that video and make sure how you're able to configure your map to your Android device and iOS device as well. So in this video we'll look the types of map and will implement some custom style to our map. By default, it's use a standard map. So let's check out the first props of map type, and there you can select anything. Like first, I'm going to use a satellite. There you can see now we have satellite view, but on satellite view, as you can see, we haven't any name related to the location. So you can use a terrain map for that. I'm sorry, this should be not terrain, it should be hybrid map. So there you can see we have City of London and London Bridge is there, and you can use a standard map that we use by default. This one is our standard map, and there is one more option like for none, and if you select none, it will not gonna display anything. Like for map type, you are not using any type of map, you are just passing none to it, so it will not gonna display anything. So that's a different type of map, but you can select according to your requirement whatever you want to use. And if I do not pass any props to this, then it's gonna use standard map. Now let's see how can we give some custom style to our map. So let's see custom map style, and this should be equal to something. I'm gonna pass an array to it, and inside it I'm gonna use element type. And for element type, first one I'm gonna give style for to our geometry, and for geometry, yeah, make sure you had spell correct. So I'm going to use stylers props for this that will accept an array, and inside array I'm going to pass color. For color, like I just want to make the theme dark, so I'm going to pass some dark color to it. So I'm going to use hash 1a 2225. That's fine. There you can see now background color of map has been changed. And one more thing, like if you're gonna pass anything, something like black as a string, there you can see it gonna does not reflect anything. So make sure whatever the color you are passing, please pass as a hexadecimal value of that. So hex value for the color. There you can see it's reflect properly. So now we have styler tag till here for our first style. Then copy this one, and now I'm gonna give style to label. So like there you can see we have different color of label. I just want like all color should be of some light color, as we have a dark theme background. So here I'm gonna use element type labels dot text dot fill, and for this I'm gonna pass some light color. I'm gonna pass white color here. Save this one. There you can see now we have our all of label of white color. Now before that in video you had seen like when we have standard map, there is a water body called London Bridge there as well. So but due to dark theme it's not displaying, so let's give some style to water body as well. So just copy this one, this section. Like every time we need to pass element type, or in some section you have to pass your feature type. As I'm gonna use feature type for water, and for element type I'm gonna use not label dot text fill. I have to fill the geometry, like geometry dot fill. And for watercolor, I'm gonna just pass some color like sky blue. You can pass any color according to your requirement. C87 CWB. Yeah, that's fine. There you can see now we have a water body. Also, if you want, you can pass text color to your water bodies as well. The thing you need to make change, you have to use here feature type water, and here you have to use labels dot text dot fill. And as we are using uh, white color for our labels, so I'm gonna pass white color here as well. So there you can see we have a dark background, and the watercolor is like sky blue, and all of text labels are of white color. So there you can see we can pass like a custom style to our map. But the one thing you can see, the code become much lengthy. So you can do one thing, that take a variable, and we can simply pass the reference of that variable. So const map style, and inside it I'm gonna pass the custom style we had created here. Just cut out this array here and pass it inside map style, and inside of custom map style I'm gonna pass the reference of map style. Save this one. There you can see nothing has changed, all things are same. So that's all for this video. In next video we'll work with marker, like how can we display marker on map, or how can we display multiple markers, or how can we use image or icon in place of marker. So that's all for this video. If you enjoy this video, please give big thumb to the video, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel.